What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a self-working card trick that is just unbelievably amazing. Let's do it. Alright, now check this out. We'll have the spectator call out stop somewhere in the center of the deck. Let's say right around here. We'll take this card and leave it face up like this, and boom, we'll just put it back where it was. Now I'll have the spectator call out stop again. Maybe I'll riffle through this time like this. And let's say the spectator says stop right here. Now we'll take this card, the 2 of spades. We'll leave it right here and we'll lose it in the deck. So now we can give the deck a couple of cuts. Nothing too insane. We can even have the spectator give the deck a couple of cuts. Boom, 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 boom. And we can see as we give the deck cuts, we have the 6 of diamonds here. If I give it another cut, the 6 of diamonds will move somewhere else. So you see, we got the cards everywhere, somewhere and everywhere in the deck. So now check this out. I'll count about half the deck over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So I'll take half the deck, put it here. I'll take the other half and leave it right here. Now I'll allow the spectator to do this. I'll just have the spectator keep on going, putting one card from each pile down together at the same time like this. So we're just going to keep going until we see the face up 6 of diamonds. Right? We found the face up 6 of diamonds right here. Now this is where it gets cool. Right along with the 6 of diamonds, we also have the spectator's card, the 2 of spades. Starting off, I just gotta say, I did not expect this mat to be like this. Like, look at that. It gets dirty so easily. Well, it's not really dirty, that's just how the mat is. I did not really expect that coming into this, but it is what it is at this point. So I think we should actually get into the tutorial. So starting off, this trick does require a little bit of a setup. You're going to need to count off 25 cards and place it right on top of the rest of the cards, which is 27 cards with the pinky break in between. So it should look a little something like this. And now when I start off this trick, I ask the spectator to call out stop as I riffle through the deck and call out stop somewhere around the center. So as I'm riffling through, boom, have the spectator call out stop. So regardless of where they call out stop, I'm going to lift at this break. So up, forward, and out. So boom, I'm here, I show them, that's where they stop, the 4 of spades. So now it's very important that this 4 of spades is in the 26th position. Now you don't have to do it like this, you can do it some other way. I don't know what other way you're going to do it, but you can do it other ways if you have ideas about that. So boom, 4 of spades in the 26th position, you leave it face up. Right, so now we have the 4 of spades, 26th position. Now, when the spectator selects the second card, you want to make sure that the second card is located somewhere beneath that 4 of spades. So another thing good to do would be a riffle shuffle, except riffle shuffle really fast through the top and then slow down as you get to the bottom, past the 4 of spades. Or you can do a dribble and riffle very slowly and have them call out stop. So whichever method you prefer. So let's just say they, I did it like this, they stopped here at the 8 of clubs. Now we take the 8 of clubs, we turn it over, put it on top of the deck, and take the rest of the cards that are below the 8 of clubs and put that on top as well. Right, so now you can show the spectator, you can spread out the cards and show the spectator that the 4 of spades is there face up still. Man, this mat is killing me. And you could also allow the spectator to give the deck a couple of cuts. So boom, cut like that. And remember, this is the spectator cutting the deck. So as many cuts as they want to give. Make sure they're not shuffling the deck because that's going to screw everything up. So just allow them to give the deck simple cuts. And of course you can also give it false cuts if you want. You can go crazy with that. If you know how to do false cuts or false shuffles, I have videos on both. I'll put them in the description. If you know how to do that, that's pretty cool as well. So we got the deck all cut. The spectator should be happy. We got that 4 of spades still somewhere in the center. Look at this. What is this madness? So now you're going to count off 26 cards just to break them down into 2 even piles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. So boom, we got 26 cards. If you can cut to 26 cards also perfectly, that would be great. So just remember that you're counting like this, and that you're not counting, you know, like this, because that would mess everything up. So just make sure you're counting correctly. So you're counting like that, break it into the 2 piles, and now it's pretty much self-working from here. You can allow the spectator to do this entire thing. Just keep on, tell the spectator to just keep dealing cards until they see that face up 4 of spades, I think it was. I don't have the greatest memory in the world, so I'm just gonna say 4 of spades, and if it's another card, then that'll be the card. Keep going, keep going. Wow, it's taking longer than expected. There it is, 4 of spades. You allow them to lift it up and take a look at this card as well, and boom, do the reveal that it is the 8 of clubs. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go check out my Patreon page to help support my channel, because your support really means a lot to me. So I'll put the link to that in the description along with all my social media links. So all that being said, I will see you in the next video. Oh wow, you guys are still here. I need to start leaving some prizes or something, because why else would you stay here this long? But in the meantime, like, share, subscribe, because if you do, you are awesome. Thanks for watching.